Good morning, everybody. Buddy from Bert's Garage. Time for a little update this week. Got the my exhaust on. Built my own exhaust. It's not too bad, to be honest with you. If you look all down through there, you'll see it's all new. I'll take a walk around. Working on my Nemesis, the hood. Still not happy with it. I want to work on this today. And I'm not going to paint it until I make my louver press and press the louvers. I'm going to put like 10 louvers right here on this side. So until I do that, I'm just going to work on getting it as smooth as possible, and we'll see how that turns out before I shoot it again. Not sure when, but let me see what else I've done. Got the trunk closing. Got to get it lined up.